Hi guys, welcome to Logic Stats. Here I am discussing about overview of pharmacovigilance. First of all, what is pharmacovigilance? Pharmacovigilance is a word derived from Greek. Pharmaco means medicine, vigilance means to watch. The process of paying close and a continuous attention to adverse events. It's a common definition. Coming to pharmacovigilance definition, according to WHO, pharmacovigilance is a science and activities related to detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse drug reactions or any other possible drug related problems. Then, coming to history of pharmacovigilance. Before that, how pharmacovigilance is originated? Because in previous days, without any observation, drugs are released into market. Due to that, many tragedies happened. In that, thalidomide disaster is greatest of all drug disasters. What is thalidomide? Thalidomide is a drug used for antiemetic, used for the treatment of nausea and vomiting in early pregnancy ladies. And this drug efficiently used as antiemetic, but this drug caused major birth defects in an estimated population of 10,000 children. After that drug is banned. Like this others also is there. In USA, diethylene glycol it's mistakenly used to solubilize sulfanilamide. Due to that 107 people died. Later, evolution of pharmacovigilance. How pharmacovigilance is evolved. These are the different dates explains the how the pharmacovigilance is evolved. Next, pharmacovigilance in India. From 1986, pharmacovigilance is implemented in India. First, 12 regional centers started, and then India joined WHO, and then National Pharmacovigilance Program started. National Pharmacovigilance Program coordinated by CDSCO. In July 2010, PVPI, Pharmacovigilance Program of India, initiated with AIMS for monitoring ADRs in our country. After 15th April 2011, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, Government of India, is functioning as National Coordination Center for Pharmacovigilance Program of India. Coming to aim of pharmacovigilance, to improve the benefit of use medicine which can outweigh the risk, thus can safeguard the patient population. And mission and vision of pharmacovigilance is to safeguard the health of Indian population and reduce the risk associated with use of medicines. Coming to important years, these are how the pharmacovigilance development taken place in India. After that, need of pharmacovigilance. There are six reasons for the need of pharmacovigilance. First one is humanitarian concern. After that, ethical use. After that, medicines are supposed to save lives. Dying due to medicine is unacceptable. Fourth one is cost of adverse drug reactions are expensive. After that, promoting rational use of medicines and adherence. And last one is ensuring public confidence. These are important medical terminologies related to pharmacovigilance. First one is adverse drug reaction. It is a response to a medicine which is noxious and unintended, which occurs at doses normally used in man. It's nothing but unplanned. After that, adverse event is any untoward medical occurrence in a patient administered a pharmaceutical product and which does not necessarily have a causal relationship with this treatment. That side effect is a secondary unwanted effect that occurs due to drug therapy. Unexpected adverse drug reaction. It's an adverse reaction, the nature of severity of which is not consistent with domestic labeling or market authorization or expected from characteristics of drug. After that, serious adverse drug reaction or event, untoward medical occurrence that any dose causes results in death or inpatient hospitalization and life threatening also. Coming to course content, these are the syllabus what you learn from logic stats. After that, course duration within 30 days course will be completed. After that, eligibility criteria, all postgraduates and graduate
in life sciences are eligible to take this course. After that, salary packages of drug safety associate. These are some salary packages from different companies. That's it, guys. This is all about pharmacovigilance. We are providing pharmacovigilance training by experts. If you are interested, please contact us. Thank you.